Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel, and if you are new here, hi, my name is Gosia and I make nail related videos. So today I have a fun nail art tutorial for you. I decided to make a voiceover for this one because some of you told me that you actually prefer to have a voiceover here on YouTube, so there it is. So yeah, if you are interested to see how I make this nail art, then please keep on watching. First things first, a base coat. It protects your natural nail and it makes the nail polish look better. Next, I applied 2 coats of this blue shade. It will be my base for the nail art. Now let's stamp some leaves. I am using MoYou Fall in Love 04 stamping plate and 3 different shades of stamping polishes, which names I listed in the description below in case you did not see them well here on the screen. Now, when you see that the stamp takes more than just one design, you can remove the parts you don't want on your nail with a dotting tool, or you can also use a scotch tape or anything sticky, just what you have on a hand, to remove that things from the stamper. So when I have my design on the stamper, I just place them on the nail whenever I want it to be. After, I make dots using the same polishes in the space that I have left on the nail. The last step is to finish the design with brown acrylic paint. I just take a thin nail art brush and I make few strokes on each leaf, trying to make it pretty thin. And then I make smaller dots on top of the dots that we have in between of the leaves. Last but not least, top coats. I applied 2 top coats. First one is No Smudge top coat from MoYou London, and then I apply matte top coat from Sally Hansen. And that is it. As you can see, this nail art is not that complicated. I hope that you like it and that you will actually give it a go. And if you do so, be sure to tag me or to send me your recreation, and I will be so happy to see that. That's it for today. As always, if you liked that video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more videos like this one. Thanks for watching. Bye!